Hello pet lovers. Meet the Redkey C100 Dog Grooming Kit Vacuum, your ultimate solution for effortless pet grooming at home. With its powerful suction of up to 12 kPa, this versatile vacuum tackles stubborn pet hair and dirt with ease, while offering 3 adjustable suction levels to suit your cleaning needs. Its spacious 2.5L dustbin minimizes frequent emptying, and the one-touch debris release ensures your hands stay clean. Operating at an ultra-quiet 62 decibels, this grooming kit keeps your pets calm and your home peaceful, even during nighttime cleaning sessions. The advanced filtration system, featuring a robust steel mesh and MIF pre-filter, traps large debris and purifies the air, ensuring a healthier home environment. Weighing just 1.9 kilograms, the vacuum is easy to maneuver and comes with a full grooming kit, including trimmers and brushes, to tackle any pet hair challenge. With a high-speed 37,000 RPM motor and a lengthy 2.5 meters cord, the Redkey C100 delivers powerful, consistent results every time, making it a must-have for every pet owner. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.